Imagine a scientist electrifying a corpse before a live audience. It sounds like a scene from a horror story, but for Dr. Giovanni Aldini in 1803, this was groundbreaking science. Dr. Aldini, an Italian physicist and nephew of Luigi Galvani, was determined to demonstrate that electricity held the power of life and death. Building upon his uncle's work on animal electricity, Aldini embarked on a series of public experiments to showcase the effects of electrical currents on the human body. In January 1803, at the Royal College of Surgeons in London, Aldini conducted his most infamous demonstration. He applied electrical currents to the body of George Forster, a recently executed criminal. As the electricity coursed through the corpse, the audience watched in astonishment as the limbs twitched, the chest heaved, and the face contorted, creating a horrifying illusion of reanimation. While Aldini didn't succeed in bringing the dead back to life, his experiments significantly advanced the understanding of bioelectricity and its effects on the human body. These demonstrations not only captivated the public, but also influenced contemporary discussions about the boundaries of science and the essence of life. It's widely believed that Aldini's eerie displays inspired Mary Shelley's novel Frankenstein. Shelley was aware of the scientific debates of her time, including the possibilities of galvanism, the use of electricity to stimulate muscles. Aldini's dramatic experiments likely contributed to the novel's themes of reanimation and the ethical implications of scientific exploration. Dr. Giovanni Aldini's work serves as a fascinating chapter in the history of science, illustrating the lengths to which early scientists went to explore the mysteries of life and death.